I'm at Manternach. I farm for Manternach 4L Farms. That's our family operation in Cascade, Iowa. I grew up with 7 other siblings. You know, growing up, everybody helped. We had the little 70 skid steer my dad got in 1980, and there was still a lot of wheelbarrow jobs. Dad went and found the Model 70 skid loader so that we could help out. I was really excited to see it roll off the truck that day. Much better than a wheelbarrow, much better. When we got that thing, boy, we thought we really had something. It was handier than a pocket on a shirt. It was easy to learn how to use. It was intuitive. It didn't take a lot of instruction to use. When this machine came to us originally, it was sold to us as John Deere Model 70. At that time, it was painted John Deere green. As soon as we got it home, we started noticing industrial yellow paint coming from underneath the green paint. And so that made us curious. The owner's manual that we had for a Model 70, the machine looked significantly different from ours. It didn't have the chrome John Deere badging. It was painted green with yellow John Deere decals on it. And the Model 70s had yellow seats, and this machine had a black seat. So almost from the beginning, we realized that there was something different about our Model 70. My dad went and asked his agricultural John Deere dealer if he thought this could actually have been a different model. And the dealer thought that perhaps that maybe the Model 14 was returned to the factory and rebadged as a 70 so that it could be sold into the agricultural market. I think it was around 2018 or so. I thought it would be really cool to paint the machine back to its original color. So I spent the winter putting it back together as a John Deere Model 14. To this day, we still run all John Deere equipment. We've always been real big fans of John Deere equipment around here on the farm. So we'll always be John Deere customers because their equipment is great and it's really stood the test of time here.